You did blank report, right?
Yeah.
You have to go back. See, if you clicked already in blank report, click on file again
Okay.
back, click open.
Open.
Okay. And
Okay.
this time you can browse this device, go to labs. We have to take now CH06. We need a file
From the
CH06.
recent, from the recent, right?
I think this is in the
Open.
last, it is in the last file, that extracted file you have, right? Extracted file. CH01010205 like this you have, remember?
No, that file is not there. Let me see
Uh,
this one. Lab, from
you,
the lab, right? Lab 06.
yes, in the labs you have 06, CH06.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Let me open that one then. Get data. um, File. After file, where we have to click? On the open, on the
Open,
open,
open, on the
open.
open. Then
And then after
browse,
open, after one,
browse.
browse this device.
Yes,
And
labs,
then labs,
CH06.
labs, CH06. Okay. Then,
You have CH06, right?
yeah, then 1 and 2.
Yeah, select,
CH06,
yeah, select two, chapter 6, 2.
open.
Okay. So you can see here, you have this same file, what we have done in the beginning, right? So actually our concern is not with this one now. Okay, so what we have to do is, you all open, right? So here in the home tab, you will see one control called transform, transform data.
Oh,
So click on this transform data inside a home tab. If you click on transform data,
So, CH06 afterward?
mm, you have opened it, right? CH06 you have opened.
No, it is not open in my, it not came anything. It's a blank.
It's a blank.
Yeah.
1 second. Let me check again. See what I'm doing. If not, you can close that Power BI. See again,
Just
I'm
one
showing
minute.
you. Yeah.
Just let me close then.
Yes.
Don't save and close. Okay, done. So reopen
Okay.
again.
Yes. Reopen again.
Power BI and
Don't click blank report. Click here
yeah,
open.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now browse this device. We have chapter 6, example 1, example. Anyone you can select. That's not an issue. Either one also fine, two also fine. So let's
Let
select
me
one. Let's select one also. No problem. Select one. No issues.
92
I
KB.
Yeah, 92 KB. I selected one now.
It came build visual with your data and then it is
Correct. Correct. Agree. Yeah.
okay. Then
So before also you have opened one only. That's why you didn't got
maybe,
anything there.
maybe, maybe
Okay, no problem. So now what we have to do, you see home tab, you have an option here, transform data.
home tab transform data.
This is in the third group, data queries group, transform data. There? No?
From the home.
From the home, here only home. File is here, right?
Okay, but I don't have that one.
Transform is not that. Maybe you may
No.
have some other control, drop down or anything it is showing.
Sign out. I have the option and setting. Let me see on your screen how it is.
No, no,
Home.
not you are in. This is file menu. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
this
So
is
you're
home
looking on
tab.
the home tab, okay?
Home. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And
Here,
then transfer data, okay?
transform data. Click on this. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will be learning here one by one, like what are the different operations we do on this data. Okay. See, first thing, I want to rename this cost price. Cost price. You can see here there are columns one, two, three, four, five, six, maybe seventh column. Cost price. Select the column.
I'm getting an error when I do transform data.
Yeah, me
Mm,
too, same. Transform data and
hmm.
afterward,
Yeah,
You're
it
getting a
says
error.
data source not found. Yeah.
Could not
okay.
found is a part of your path. Yeah.
One minute, 1 minute. Actually, I too should get that error. I'll show you that error also.
Hi, Momo.
Uh, yes, please.
Yeah, you said 40 minutes you started. I just came.
No
I
problem.
don't know.
Just started. Just started. Nothing started now.
Okay.
I'm waiting only. Don't worry. Don't. I didn't started anything. Just
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling them open chapter 6 like that. Just started. Don't worry. It's 40
No
minutes
problem.
only. Yeah. So open and yeah. So what you have to do now is see what we are doing now. Open. Okay. Not blank report. Open. Browse this device. And from the labs, you will open CHO6. CHO6. That's it. This is the one which I just explaining. So if I'm opening CHO6 example 2 or 1, let me see if I'm getting error or not. I should get error actually. Okay, let me click on transform data. Not getting error. Okay. So those who are getting error, the problem I will show you. Let me show you the problem. That's a better option. So in the chapter 06, where is this? 06. Okay. There is a car sales, right? Okay. The reason why
Mm-hmm.
it is not showing, why you are getting the error is because of the path. Okay. I'm changing my file name. You don't change, just you keep the file as it is. Now see what you all have to do. Now I'm opening this Power BI. Hmm, Power BI. Okay. Now we did what? Open. Now go to browse this device. Chapter 2 or 1, no problem. Anyone you can select. 2 has a design, 1 doesn't have any design. That's it. That's the only difference. So I selected 1. Okay. Now what is the issue is the expected error you will get when you go to transform. Okay. So I'll tell you how to resolve it. Right. So here you will not see any error here. This is fine,
No.
correct?
Mm.
Okay. Now when you go to home tab and transform, now the error will come. So you will see one option there, go to error.
Yeah.
Okay. Still it is not giving me error. Okay, fine. In the go to error,
Mm-hmm.
you will see now change the source settings, something like that. Or we, acha, this is going to desktop samples. Okay, change source. You got this window, change source or anything, something like that.
No.
I got edit settings after I
Ah,
clicked on go
click
to
on
error.
edit settings. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Then I got this window, the
Okay.
field
Then what
file
you,
path.
yeah, then you can click on browse and select the current file path, car sales.
Uh, Mahmood, for me again data source error. It was clicked. It was
Can you share the screen once?
Then I keep it as open file as Excel workbook and click OK.
Yes. You selected car sales, right?
Yeah. Now I got
This,
the data.
Okay.
this is my screen.
Yes. Perfect. Click on go to error here in the down, the red in the error symbol. You go to right side. There is a button. Go to error. Okay. Now again, edit settings. Edit settings. Perfect. Now browse. Okay. Now it is on the labs. Yeah. Now select card. Okay. Click open. Open. Okay. Okay. Again. That's it. Okay. Now you click on table. Okay. Wait. Right side. You click on promoted headers. It the right side. Right side. No, here applied steps in the down. You're correct only. In the right side. Go above. Applied steps. Right side, right panel, you mean down, come down. Yes, click there. Promoter, click. Okay, click OK, cancel. Yeah, that's okay. So your data is available. Fine.
So actually, so before, if you go and if you can
Hmm.
give the
Hmm.
result on the screen first, and if you can give us now that what we will achieve from the whole exercise, that will be more easy to us, and it will be very quickly for us to understand.
Yeah,
Like what
actually,
yeah.
yeah, I understand. But the problem is the error which you got, right, which you received that error. This
Hmm.
error is not a common error for everyone. This error will come
Ah.
when you are making the data source connection. Because while you are opening, the
Hmm.
connection was a different path. So that is a error. That's a error. Okay. Even you can try. What you can try. Okay. Close this one. I'll tell you one more thing. This is about data source error. Close this one. Close this window. Not now. Okay. Close this window also. The above window. Don't save. Okay. Now go to chapter 6. Okay. Open. Rename that car sales. Rename. Okay, underscore something. You can give one more S or something.
New.
Yeah, no space. Should not be space. After hyphen, don't give space. Yeah. Okay. Now open chapter 6. Anyone? Okay. Open example 1. Okay. Now what we have done, we change the file name. Okay.
Hmm.
So now what this file will do, he will try to target or it will try to hit the same file which was before, and he will not find. That time he will give a error like that. Okay, now transform data in the top home tab, transform data above. Okay, click OK, no problem. Now see the error first. Read the error. Data source error could not find a part of the path. It's saying I can't find this path. It is directly going to Power BI desktop samples in C drive, correct?
Hmm.
So he didn't find. Now what we are doing is we are trying to change that path, and we are telling don't go here, go here, like that. This is what the way. So now you click on go to error. Okay. Now edit settings. Now see, this is targeting which path. You can see that. What happened? It's gone. Edit settings again. Browse here. Browse. Browse. Okay. Now see, you are selecting the file. Why you are selecting the file? You are telling that
Because of the error, yeah.
you're telling the Power BI that is not my file. This is my file, and this is
Hmm.
my path. Like that. Click open. Again, okay. So these are like, these are not general queries. These are in real time you may face. See, whatever I taught now, those are all like for the real time scenarios only, not for the general users. But
Hmm.
you may face these issues when you are working. Okay.
Yeah.
Like when you are sharing with the team, when you're sharing with the group, they may say, I'm not getting the record, I'm not getting the updated reports or anything. That time, this is a problem. Okay, now right side, you click on promoted headers. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. So fine. Now, what actually we have to do, see, generally whatever we are doing from now onwards, this means that we are preparing a data for the dashboard. Whenever any data come to you, it is not ready for the dashboard. We have to prepare it properly that it will be flexible to design my dashboard. Okay, so what are those we are going to do step by step from now onwards. So today's session, maybe tomorrow's session also, we will continue this type of approach only, but from the next class we are going to have the dashboard approaches. Okay, right. So first approach, what I want to do, see, you are going to learn in the classes like all these controls what you see on the top. When you know all these controls on the top, like when I go to transform data, you see there are many different types of controls in each ribbon, right? See, these are all
Hmm.
controls. So you have to know all these controls, then only you can say that, okay, I know these topics. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a main concern. If you design only dashboard, you know, but what about the remaining things? That is a big problem. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why we will learn each and everything here. Then you will be ready for designing the dashboard.
Yeah. So
So,
Mahmood,
mm,
from this
mm,
whole exercise,
mm.
from the whole exercise, what will be the outcome? It will come for us like what we done the first exercise, same
First
like a
exercise,
presentation, same
yes,
presentation. Ah, okay.
same presentation we do at last.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay.
You will understand that time, okay, we have to work on the data in this way, then only we
Hmm.
can design dashboard.
Ah, okay.
So it is like preparing the materials before building a house, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it is something like that. Yeah. Okay, now let's take one by one. So let's go to cost price. Select the cost price here. And you can see here, there is a transform tab on the top. In the which ribbon? Transform ribbon. Okay. In the transform ribbon, transform tab. Select cost price. And here there are two different options. See, you can rename from here. I'm trying to rename the column name. I can rename from here, or either I can right click here. Also, I can rename from here. So both are also fine. Either you can rename from here, or I can rename from here. Okay. So one more thing you have to remember, there are different types of menu items. For example, if I right click, I will get this menu item where you can see copy, remove, duplicate column, remove other columns, etc. If I left click, I will get this data, like how I can change the data types. Okay, don't be confused. So left click and right click here have the different approaches on the data. Okay, next thing here also, if you click in the corner of this table, okay, you can see now keep top rows, bottom rows, add custom column, use first row as header. So there are many different types of options available in each menu item. So remember, there are many different menu items available here. You can click here, you can click here. Okay, this is for right click, this is for left click. Okay, like this, there are different types of approaches. So the first thing what we are going to do now, we are going to rename the column. Okay, renaming the column. So right click rename, or either you can do from transform ribbon rename. So when you are renaming, you can give the required name. I'm giving here vehicle cost. This is my column name. I renamed it. Please do that.
It is mandatory to give without space vehicle cost.
Generally, no need. It's not a mandatory. We can give a space also. But only thing is sometimes in some applications, very important changes in SharePoint. If you give space, it will add one percentile 20 percentile in the address bar for that field.
Okay.
So generally we try to avoid the spaces. Even in some databases like Oracle, SAP, we don't give spaces. So this is standard, but if you want space, we can put in Power BI. There is no condition that you should not use space. You can use space.
But I'm getting some prompt saying, are you sure you want to insert a step?
Maybe you did wrong. What you did? Just rename. I'm renaming
Yeah,
it.
rename. That's all. So when I'm renaming it and I'm putting
Uh-huh.
vehicle cost with or without space, it's telling me the
Uh-huh.
same thing. Are you sure you want to insert a step?
Oh,
Inserting
it's
an
a,
intermediate,
oh, okay, okay.
which
Maybe
would
the
cause your
problem.
query to break.
Yeah, yeah. The problem is, I will tell you why you are getting that error.
Hmm.
See, in the right side, you may be selected in between. You are in between. You are not in the last.
So
You
cost
say
price, right? We select the cost price, right?
no, no,
After
no,
the
no.
sales price.
See. What I'm going to say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I remove this. You see the applied steps in your computer. You
Yeah,
cancel that first. Okay. Which is highlighted in your computer?
I have promoted headers, navigation and source. Highlighted is
Yeah,
promoted headers.
you highlighted is promoted headers. Are you sure?
Yes.
Check again.
Yeah, it
That
is promoted headers. After that, I have changed type and reordered columns also.
1 second. Now we did what? Now see what I'm doing is I'm applying here vehicle cast. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now when I rename it, I'll get this renamed columns.
Mm.
Finish. What do you want now? What is the problem now? What you're doing? Again, you are doing here.
Vehicle cost.
No, I'm not getting only that. I'm not able to rename it. That's my issue.
Can
Even
you?
with right click. Should I share
Uh,
screen and show?
yeah. Please share the screen.
You able to see my screen?
Yes. See, you have selected promoted headers. Go down now. The last column, renamed columns. Okay.
Reordered columns.
Just remove this.
Okay, so we
Cancel it.
always have to be at the last column, is it?
Yeah,
We always have to.
you have to target. You have to select the last column. You have to stand here. Then you
Okay,
have to rename. Now click rename.
okay. So always at the last one here.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Rename
Okay,
now. Okay.
okay,
So rename and you can rename now. That's it.
okay, good.
Finish.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Where is my file? I closed or what? Okay. So once we went into transform data, so we can rename the columns. What is reorder? Just moving left and right the columns is called reorder columns. Okay. So I'll show you that. Uh, okay, fine. So here we have changed this cost price column to
Vehicle cost.
vehicle cost. Okay, vehicle cost. Fine. Then next one after this, whenever I want to arrange the columns like you see this is considered to be the
Mohammed,
second column.
Yeah,
Mm,
we
I
cannot
cannot
see
see
your
your
screen.
screen.
Yeah, we cannot see your screen.
sure. 1 second. I forgot to share again. Sometimes I forget this. Okay. I think you can see now my screen, right? So the vehicle cast is here. So here is the vehicle cast, which I renamed it. And whenever we rename, you are going to get the applied steps. If you want to go back, what you will do? Just click on this icon. So automatically that renamed applied steps will go away. Okay. Now, what is reordering means you can move the column to left or right like this. You can see now this make column is here. I can move to some other place also. You can see now I can move it. I can move this one here. Sorry. I can move this one here. Yeah. Make I want to put, suppose make I want to put after country name, I can move it. So even this one I can move here from move to right. I can move to right. I can move to end also. Move to end, it will go to end. I can move to the beginning. So to beginning. So also this is possible. Okay. Again, I want to place at the same place where it was. I can keep it. If I cancel it, it was already there. So it will consider this one. And this is not available in where Excel, but we can move it manually by using shift also in Excel. Okay. Now this is done. What I want to do is I want to delete some columns. I want to delete some columns. Remember always, before deleting or before renaming, before applying anything, always try to take a copy of your data. That is the best practice. Okay. Now in the left side, if you see in this transform window, there is an option called, there's a query called base data. Okay. What you can do is right click on this and you can click on duplicate. This is a duplicate. And under this duplicate, rename this one underscore something like test data. So I can apply my all the tests on base data underscore test. So this data will be always available. Okay, if anything by mistake happened also, I will have my data. But even if this data gone, there is no problem. But again, you have to bring the data from the data source. But the problem what will happen is whatever the columns you rename, you applied the changes, all will go. You have to start from again beginning. So better always make a best practice whenever you have a data applied with some of the steps, save it. So I have applied here, example I'm showing you, I have applied here only one step, maybe 10 steps. I'll put the save there and I will copy the another save. Then I will go for another file because I'm going to now removing the columns, removing the rows. So this should not affect my data. That's the reason I took the copy. Now what you do, please do the duplicate here and rename this one as base data underscore test. Now I'm selecting base data underscore test and I wanted to remove some columns. Okay. In the home tab, see, I'm in transform only. I'm still in transform window. Okay. One more question to you all. How you know that I'm in a transform window? See, I'll show you. Foremost or first thing you will see this one, close and apply will not be there in any window other than transform. This is the first one. Okay. But very easy to remember is you see here, you have here what report view, table view, model view, correct? These three options never available in transform data. If I go transform data, those three options will never be there because maybe sometimes you may confuse in which window I am. Okay. So for that, remember when you are in transform data, you will never have the model view information that is called model data or model table or model view or model screen. Okay. This is your transform data or transform screen. Clear. Now select base data underscore test. Now I want to delete some columns. See here, very important. This is useful as now in the beginning I told you Tableau is very fast when compared to Power BI. But how you make the Tableau faster then? Because this is a very big concern, correct? Now that time, what Microsoft suggested is in every query, this is one query, this is another query. I like that I have 100 queries, means 100 table data I have. You will not be using all the data every time in every dashboard. So you have to seamlessly use the data, which columns you require, only keep them, remaining all you can remove, so that when you are loading the dashboard will load only those columns which are needed, not all the columns. Example, I selected this make column. Okay, see on my screen, I selected the make column, and what I'm doing, I'm removing, what is the option here? Remove other columns, means all the other columns will be removed. Clear? Now you have here this data. How much items are here? 457 rows. In the down, you can see that. Now what I will do, I'll right click, remove duplicates. Okay. So remove duplicates, right click on this make column and I clicked on remove duplicates. So I have how much data here? Only 7 items. Understand? Now, when I close and apply, now you will understand how it is useful. How I'm saving the data, now you will understand. See, for example, now when I go to design a table or a data or anything, any record or anything, now let me take a table here. And in this table, I will show some data like country name, uh, invoice number, labor cost, and I have something like region, okay, and reporting year. I have these columns, okay. And what I came to know is I want some good UI to filter this data, okay. So that time I will go and add a slicer. See what I'm adding? Slicer, which we did. Sorry, what I told you, you have to always click outside. Now select the slicer, okay. After adding the slicer, if I select from here the model, it will take the data and it will try to remove duplicate and it will arrange all those records here. Rather than that, what I can do, I can directly go here and I will select this because it has a proper filtered information without any much data, right? Now, if I select here, now you see the data will be automatically what going to filter here, correct? So in this place, I have only for make. So in here, I don't have make. So what I can do, I'll go here and in this one, I will also use make column. Okay. Now to filter it. Now I'll go here. I'll select only Bentley. Okay. And I will select here Jaguar. Not working correctly. Why? I'll go to this part. What is the problem here? Who will tell the answer?
The
No link.
relationship.
No
There
link.
is no relationship. Perfect answer. Whenever we don't have any relationship, it is never possible that there will be a connection. Okay. So what is the best thing? First, we have to choose which is the unique column here. Okay. So better I'll go for a unique column as which is a unique column here is make column.
Maybe the country.
Okay. Country, no, country is duplicated here. And okay, we can do one more thing. I can go to the transform data. 1 minute. I will try to include one column here. Okay, what I will do, I'll go to add column. You see, there is one column called index column from 0. Okay, so I added here, and here also I will add some index column from 0. Okay, but index column, what will happen again? Index the column. Okay, based on indexes, it will create the connection, right? It will not match. It will not match. Uh, so remove column. So what is the best one? Countries, right? You can use countries, huh? Country name. Country name we can use here. So what I can do, I can choose here one more column, removed columns, add index. Okay. I will take one more column that is called make and country name. Fine. So these two columns I want, remaining columns I don't want. So I'll say remove columns, remove other columns. Okay. Now from here, I will try to remove duplicates. Okay, perfect. Now close and apply. Perfect. Now I closed and applied. Now it will apply the schema. Now I'll go to the model to see the relationship. So still no relationship is there. So I'll go to country name. I'll drag. Okay. I'll drag here to here. This will be one to many, many to many base data. We have two United Kingdoms. Huh? Okay. Right. So we'll take make column. That's better. Many to one to many. This is okay. Correct. So everything is not duplicated. Here it is duplicated. That's why there is a problem. Click on save. Now we have a relationship. Agree? Now I'll go to the report view. Now you see when I select, now it is filtering. Is it visible? See now what happened? All the roles rise, correct? If I select here Jaguar, now what I will get? Only Jaguar. If I select TVR, I'll get only TVR. If I get MGB, you got the idea, right? No
Mahmood,
doubts. Yeah.
can I request if I can leave
Yeah,
now?
we will
I
stop. We'll stop. Anyhow, we
thank
are
you so much
done
because I have
actually.
another meeting. I have to rush for it.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
And
And
thank
we
you
are
so
stopping
much.
now. You're most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. We will
Thank you,
discuss this
everyone. Take
topic
care,
again
guys.
tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
Thanks. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Most welcome. Yeah. Okay, for others, any issues? You understood the topic, what we are doing? Any queries?
No.
No.
Not much now.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So we'll do one thing. We'll stop here. We'll see in the next session. Actually, we have to close by 2:45 only. Because of that, in the beginning, we have some time which was wasted. I just tried to cover it. It's okay. So we will close now. Tomorrow, the timing will start by 10:05 or 10:10. We will start. And as we told today, we will follow that timing. Okay. By 2:45 tomorrow, we will end. Based on your requirements, sometimes if you have any emergency, anything that you have to leave early or close the session, please update me. That's not a problem. Okay. All right.
Thank you very
So
much.
you're most welcome.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Have a
Mohammed.
great day. Thank you. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.
Have a great day.